For the latest loops and scoops, subscribe to Nagi, the Dan Avi. Waklaks come, still I boom, Bototom bush.
Yeah, my people, welcome back to another episode of Negril TV. I know me I get to understand that big operation that take place right now over Negril, my people, in the Burger King vicinity there. You see, preliminary reports are that a robbery, it was foiled, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, a robbery attempt, it was foiled by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, my people. So far, I get to understand, say, a 5-man dead, you know, my people, and then find must a 3 rifle, you know. You see it, no jokes, a bag of footage I go around. See, I want footage like a stand up upon a little pavement, like, you see me? Man, they in a stolen car and beat things, and by the time I know it, be a gunshot start beat my people, no jokes. And the police ain't come out victorious in the confrontation, my people, but so far, as me say, the Brinks me and you say them a try for rob, but you don't know the thing of the police them, then they have better plans or other plans to them. You see, you pray. I can't play most of the footage them over here, so, but you don't know the thing of just forward over my Instagram page, a link when posted down below and you can come across now and see everything. You see me? Monday in a what? Water, dead bread out on them back, no jokes. As I say, come across and see everything. How you go?
For the latest loops and scoops, subscribe to Nagi, the Dan Avi. Waklaks come, still I boom, Bototom bush. Yak said the bush that them does that. You hear that? Out there.